Wow! This item makes getting in and out of the hot tub so much easier. We ordered it because it was time that we drain/refill the tub, making the installation of the handrail easier. This item was easy to assemble with clear instructions. Installation was as simple as lifting the tub slightly in the area where we wanted the handle and then sliding it under. Lowering the tub and then filling it provides a very sturdy installation that makes it so much easier to safely enter and exit the tub. Installed 10 minutes. My wife loves it. Easy to put together. Used it for getting in and out hot tub. This is a great product. Very sturdy. I feel so safe getting in and out of my hot tub now. I highly recommend it. Spouse is disabled and this lets them get in and out without worry. Quick to put together. Better to buy two as one can make it even more difficult or dangerous when getting in/out. Click on the link below to see price.